Sarawako is the song. Sarawako means choose the one you love. About this song, song we just did. It's a love song. It's a wedding song, which means Sarawako, which means choose. In other words, it starts off like when children are playing, they play the game Sarawako, and then sometimes it grows to be a reality. And you choose the one you love, and becomes your partner for life. That's how it becomes a wedding song.
I think he wants to know about the colors, the Chuku and the Mtema.
All right.
Because that's when I said she was surprised.
Right. It's all about the complexion. Yeah.
So Chuku
Some
means
people
brown.
are-
So
yeah,
I'm
some-
brown. That's why I started laughing.
Some people are light skinned, some people are dark within the black community.
Yeah.
Some are dark, some are lighter. So I'm saying Wangu Mutuku, which means the one I chose is light in complexion.
Oh.
Yeah.
She is.
Then I also change. I also change and say Wangu Mutema, which means the one I've chosen is so dark in complexion.